Warm greetings. In this video, we are going to learn all about noun, one of the parts of speech. Before moving to the theoretical aspect of noun and its types, let's do one thing. We just name the pictures available here. Love, camera, paper rocket, honeybee, burger, child. So, we have done naming all these things in the slide. Now let's move into the definition of noun. Noun is just a word that names a person, a place, an animal, a thing, or an idea. Briefly, noun is a naming word. Let's observe some examples for person, sister, lawyer, classmate, Victoria. Place, India, city, bathroom, school. Animal, dog, turtle, cat, bird. Thing, pencil, cell phone, plane, cloud. Idea, justice, freedom, love, country. So, whenever we are giving names to a person, place, animal, thing, or an idea, it is called noun. To repeat, noun is a naming word. With this, we are moving to the singular and plural concepts of nouns. It depends on whether they refer to a single or more than one person, place, thing, or concept. If it refers to one person, place, thing, or concept, then it is a singular noun. If a noun refers to more than one person, place, thing, or concept, then it is a plural noun. It follows certain rules. To pluralize regular nouns, we are simply adding s to the end of the noun. Like one camera, two cameras, one cup, three cups. If the noun ends in letters like yes, yeses, sh, ch, x, or z, we have to add es to the end of the singular noun to make it plural. Like one box, two boxes. As it ends with x, we are adding es as the suffix. One bus, two buses. Rule number 3. If a singular noun ends in y and the letter before y is a consonant, then we need to change y into ies to make it plural. One puppy, the noun ends with y, so we are changing y into, we are replacing y with ies. One puppy, two puppies. One bunny, two bunnies. Likewise, if a singular noun ends in y and the letter before y is a vowel, then we need to add simply yes to make it plural. For example, one toy, two toys. The letter before y is a vowel, so we are simply adding yes to it. one boy, two boys. Rule number 4. If the noun ends with O, then we need to add es to make it plural. For instance, one tomato, two tomatoes, one volcano, two volcanoes. There are certain nouns which never undergo any modification when we are pluralizing it, like one sheep, two sheep, one deer, two deer. Finally, irregular nouns follow no specific rules. Irregular means we are just changing the entire spelling of it. One mouse, two mice, one child, two children. We are not simply adding any prefixes here. So it becomes irregular nouns. Let's give a practice now. Girl, girls. Book, books. Lunch, lunch. Kiss, kisses. City, cities. Activity, activities. Potato, potatoes. Hero, heroes. Sheep, sheep. Moose, moose. Tooth, teeth. Woman, women. Next, we are moving to the types of nouns. The first two nouns we are going to look are proper and common noun. Proper noun is a specific name, particular name, and always begins with a capital letter, like the name of a person, name of a particular person, place, or thing are categorized as proper nouns. Common noun. Common noun is a general name and it does not begin with a capital letter. It is the common name given for any people, place, or thing. Pencil, is it a proper noun or a common noun? It's a common noun. Christmas, it is proper noun because it is the name of a particular festival. April, it is also a proper noun because it is the name of a particular month. Watch, yes, obviously it is a common noun. Next, we are moving to the collective nouns. A collective noun is a singular noun. Yes, we have to consider the collective noun to be a singular noun. It refers to a group of people, animals, or things, but we used to consider it as a single unit. Let's observe some examples. A team of players, a crew of sailors, a panel of judges, an audience of listeners, a flock of birds, a herd of cattle, a swarm of bees, a pack of wolves. A bunch of keys, a pile of books, a fleet of ships, a collection of stamps. With this, next we are moving to the abstract nouns. An abstract noun is something that we cannot see, touch, taste, hear, or smell. They do not take any physical forms. For example, sadness is an abstract noun. We can see a frown on someone's face or tears in their eyes, but we cannot see the idea of sadness. It is absolutely a feeling. Another example is beauty. It is an idea and it is not a physical object. With this, we are moving to material noun. Material noun refers to a substance or material from which things are made. These nouns name physical substances rather than individual objects, people, or places. They used to be concrete and uncountable. They refer to natural elements, man-made substances, or raw materials. They are usually used in the singular form only. They can be measured by quantity, like a liter of milk, a piece of gold. This is all about noun and its types and their usages. We need to practice it to familiarize it. Happy learning.